USA. Please note that any unauthorized recordings, live streaming, usage of any cameras, flash photography, or any actions that violate the copyright of the show and the artist are strictly prohibited. We would like to emphasize that there is absolutely no flash photography or flash recordings allowed throughout the show or soundcheck. For a safe and enjoyable show for everyone, please be careful not to push fellow fans in front of and around you. Please refrain from throwing any objects onto the stage, and after soundcheck is over, please move to your ticketed seat. We thank you for your cooperation and we hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you!
How are you guys? So good?
여러분이 원하신 대로 일어나고 싶으면 일어나셔도 되고 앉으시고 싶으면 앉으셔도 돼요.
So everyone who's here today, if you guys want to stand up, feel free to stand up. If you want to sit down, feel free to sit down.
눈치 보지 마세요, 여러분.
Don't be worried about everyone around you.
근데 혹시 저희 시작 전에 멤버들 이니어의 멤버들 목소리가 조금 많이 커서 조금 줄여주시면 아주 살짝 네, 감사합니다.
Yeah, before the sound check, we should 인사, right?
Do you know 인사? And say hi.
Okay, 둘, 셋.
Hello, we are ONEUP. Thank you for coming. Our sound check live. 지금도 큰가요, 멤버들? 네, 좋습니다. 괜찮은가 해보겠습니다. 네, 알겠습니다. 첫 곡부터 가볼까요? Yeah.
Shall we go?
Are you ready to enjoy? 갈게요.
the song righteous and shine so on 이 무조건 없는 나를 만들어준 너를 위해 무서해 너와 게임 내 일을 반복해
지금 사운드 체크인데도 달님들이 굉장히 뜨거운데요. 사운드 체크인데도 달님들이 굉장히 뜨거운 것 같습니다.
Honestly, that was really hot energy, guys.
분명 다들 마이크를 하나씩 들고 있는 게 분명해요.
Honestly, it's really obvious that everybody's got a mic here.
저희 응원봉에 마이크나 확성기 기능이 있는 걸까요?
Oh my gosh, is there something connected with the light sticks and the mics?
It was a new version in 달빛병.
Yeah, it was a new version that you guys got, right?
네.
저 사운드 체크를 해야 되는데 저도 모르게 달님들이랑 너무 순간을 즐겨버렸어요.
Honestly, even though we're doing sound check now, right now, we're still having so much fun here.
다음 체크도 한번 해볼까요?
Are you guys ready?
Okay, next song is Let's go.
It's a signature of Atlanta, right? Yeah, let's move down.
Yes, you have so good energy. 오늘 공부가 너무너무 기대되는데요?
우리 통역분 인이어가 지금 계속 끊겨가지고 저희가 좀 조치를 취하고 있습니다.
네. 오늘 공연이 너무 기대돼요.
Honestly, I'm so excited for the concert today.
우리 멤버들 인이어 괜찮은가요? 시원 괜찮아요?
네, 좋습니다.
환웅 괜찮은가요? 네, 건이는요?
전 에마를 조금만 키워주셨으면 좋겠어요.
알겠습니다. 이도는요?
그렇습니다.
네,
저거
그럼
약간 조금만 더 올려주세요.
알겠습니다.
휴.
You guys, did you miss us?
잊지 않고 또 오늘 저희 보러 찾아와 주셔서 너무너무 감사합니다.
Thank you guys so much for not forgetting us and coming back to see us.
오늘 또 비도 왔는데 괜찮았어요, 여러분?
From what you guys have seen so far, how was it? Was it okay?
비도 왔잖아요.
It rained just now, didn't it?
Also cold?
But don't worry, after the real show, you will get more.
자, 그럼 이제 마지막 곡 체크 한번 해볼까 봐요.
Shall we guys go to the last soundcheck song?
오케이, 지금 Are you ready?
갈게요.
더 재밌게 놀 테니까 여러분도 조금 있다가 다시 만나요.
We're gonna have a lot of fun later, so guys, please stay tuned.
애틀랜타에서 얼마나 저희를 기다려주셨는지 느껴지는 사운드체크 라이브였습니다.
Honestly, during the sound check, I was able to feel how much you guys have been waiting for us in Atlanta.
지금까지
수고하셨습니다.
감사합니다. Let's enjoy.
Nice costume, nice costume, nice costume, nice costume. Best costume. You're not even. Best costume. Nice, nice. Go out the core. Nice costume. Bala conmigo. Vader, oh my god. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Hello, Tumu. We have a special event for you. During the show, we will invite one lucky fan to the stage to participate in a dance challenge with the members. For more information, please head to the raffle table downstairs where the merch is before the show for more information. Thank you!